Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and today I'm going to show you this solid steel pizza oven and prep cart from Nuuk. They sent this to me to do a review for you. Man, I know if you're anything like me, once you get outside, you want to do your grilling, you need a place to set all your stuff. There's not always a table nearby. I'm going to get this thing put together and see how it works. I'm doing this inside because it is hot outside today, but I'll go out there a little later. First, I want to get all the inside stuff done, and we'll take you out. So here's the box. The box weighs about 45 pounds, or the cart does. It looks like it's packaged fairly well. It does have propane tank hook, Bakelite handle, tool hooks, and universal wheels. So let me get this thing unboxed and let's check it out, see how well it's boxed up. But I won't make you sit through and watch the assembly, but I do want to open it up and give it a look. And cut the tape off of this thing. Looks like it's boxed up pretty well. All right, we do have the suggestion books. We do have the vac pack nuts and bolts. We got our casters. Looks like everything's in here. Here's the top. Let me get this thing assembled. I'll have to probably use the suggestions to get this thing assembled, but yeah, I'll bring it back as soon as I got it built. Okay, before I assemble it, I want to just show you that these things are labeled really well. Okay, that's like the top part, and all the legs are labeled, so you can't really mess it up. All right, or maybe I can. All right, so there you go. The Nuuk pizza oven table. Less than 30 minutes to put this thing together. Very easy, very simple instructions. It does give you a warning about putting this piece right here on, because this shelf does come off, so you can easily clean it. Make sure you get it this way and not flipped over. No big deal, easy peasy. So it does have a shelf, so you can put all your your pizza pans and cutters and all of that good stuff in there. Anything that you want, you can put covered containers in here if you want, with all your utensils, however you want to do it. It's up to you. So that slides out. It does stop right there, so all your stuff doesn't go falling on the ground. It does have a bottom shelf for just about anything you want to put on there. You can keep your pizza oven down there if you want. So over here, it does have hooks for your utensils. I've got a couple of peels there. I had another peel I was going to put down there, but I didn't. It's got the casters. The front casters lock, and the back ones stay stationary. It's got the handles on each side, and it also has these hooks right here to hold your propane bottle in case you have one of those propane pizza ovens. And not only that, okay, so right now I have these on the left side of this table. It does have holes if you want to take this off and the bottom piece off that it's sitting on, that's holding it under there. It does have the screw holes up here for you to change it to the right side if you want. And these won't be in the way. Your tool hooks also have holes over here. So I think they really thought that out, because sometimes, where you want this, you don't want your propane bottle on the left side. You want it on the right, just in your particular situation. So yeah, pretty cool. I tell you what, like I said, I really want one of these things, kind of like an island inside my kitchen. A lot of times I'm making my pizzas here, and then I can have all my toppings, my cheese. I can even put my food processor on top of here as a prep station when I'm shredding the cheese. So yeah, very convenient. This thing stands, I don't know the actual height, but it's a really good height. It probably stands about 36 inches. It's 20 by 30, so those three-legged pizza ovens will fit on here. I think even the 16-inch size pizza ovens like that will fit on there. I used to have a uni for a 12-inch. Gave that away. Thought I was going to do another review on a different one, so I went ahead and gave it away. So I can't show you what it looks like with that on there. But I do have my other pizza oven that I will set on here. Now they say this will hold 100 pounds. that pizza oven is 66 pounds. So let me go put that on here and just show you. So there I have my dual pizza oven on there. That thing weighs 66 pounds, no problem at all. And I gotta tell you, so this cord is so short. It's not too short, but it's a shorter cord. I can't leave this on my countertop anywhere, but I do have to move it around and plug it in. So this cart, this Nuuk pizza oven cart, really is going to be great for that, because now I can just, you know, wheel it wherever I need it. If I want to plug it in over near my oven, I'm trying to do this one-handed, which it does do. You know, I can wheel it over here and then I can plug it in right up there. So this, yeah, and that's a heavy pizza oven. So, and no problem. It's not run on propane, it's electric, but you know, I have the bottle on there. I did end up putting my other peel in there. I've got a cast iron pizza pan for a square pizza down there on the bottom shelf. It's just versatile. I mean, like I said, you can put containers, you can put all your ingredients in here, covered, and yeah, I think right now that works out great. Okay, sorry about the way the lighting is, but all the lights out there. Anyway, here's my cart outside. I've got my pellet grills out here, and I got to tell you, this is going to come in handy because I am constantly out here trying to find a place to set my trays down. Sometimes I'll set them over on top of this, over just wherever I can. Now, I can just take my Nuuk cart, pizza oven cart, but it's also, you know, for whatever you want to use it for. A prep cart, mainly if you're outside cooking on your pellet grills. And also, you know, the side tool holders, you could, you know, put your spatulas and stuff on the side there while you're doing this. But let me just tell you, this thing is definitely going to come in handy outside working on my pellet grills. If I had the outside pizza oven, it would definitely be sitting on there. But check this out. This is really going to come in handy with my portable pellet grill. Now I have somewhere to set it. Man, it's always been a challenge to find a table or something empty that I could set it on. So yeah, there you go. The Nuuk pizza oven table, prep cart, and just about anything you want to set on this. It's got storage. You can, like I said, you can put bins on that shelf. You could put bins underneath. And I could even store my portable pellet grill down there on the bottom. I believe there's definitely enough room for that. So it's got plenty of space. Okay, so I'm going to end this quick review on this Nuuk pizza oven table, prep cart, portable pellet grill cart, table, whatever you want to use it for. You're going to definitely be seeing that cart being used in future videos. So, you know, stay tuned and see what all I use it for. All right. There will be a link at the bottom if you're interested in one of these carts. They're very affordable. It's pretty sturdy. I mean, you can add up to 100 pounds on here, 30 pounds on that shelf. I mean, what else do you need it for, right? So anyway, Nuuk pizza oven, prep cart, rolling table for your outdoor cooking, and for me, also for my indoor cooking. Thanks for checking this out. The link is below. Go check out that cart. If you're looking for a cart that rolls around, I'm telling you, it is going to be so handy. Inside, outside, wherever you want to use it. All right? Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.